So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to be cooking for you guys. What I'm going to be cooking, I don't know. I have no ideas yet. I typically don't know what I'm going to cook when I set out to cook, but it always comes out tasting amazing. So this opener behind me is getting on my last nerves, but what can I do? My lighting sucks. It really does, but it's nothing I can do. Y'all say hi to my fish. Big Mom Billy back to the building. Boom. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me on this cooking journey. Again, my lightest booty, it's trash, but I'm giving you guys what I have. Can't give y'all what I don't have. It's impossible. Hey guys, what is up? What is good? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me on my cooking journey. Honestly guys, I had no idea what I was gonna cook. I think I mentioned that in the beginning of the video, but let me tell y'all, as I went on, everything just turned out perfect. It was absolutely amazing. So right now I'm just prepping my potatoes because I'm about to do some turmeric seasoned fries. And you know, you just gotta make sure that even though I'm peeling my potatoes, I want to make sure that they are washed thoroughly. So you know, just go ahead, get all the dirt out of your potatoes and get them ready, because so guys, I am by no means anyhow a professional chef, so I might have some measurements for you guys. I may not have some measurements for you guys because I am an eyeballer. I just, you know, I stop when the ancestors whisper in my ear. That's enough, my friend, that's enough. Okay, and that's what I do. So I will try my best to link the recipe for everything that I prepared today down in the description, but best believe I don't have a lot of exact measurements. I've gotten pretty good at eyeballing my tablespoons over the years, but after that, we're lost. So guys, I'm just now cutting my potato into fries. You want to do this as evenly as possible so that your potatoes can be finished cooking at the same time, and that way, you know, you don't have to end up with some potatoes being burnt, some being overcooked, and some being undercooked. So at this point guys, you want to make sure that your potatoes are placed in an even layer, because you know we don't want to encourage our potatoes being undercooked. I'm just pouring some vegetable oil to coat my fries so that way the seasonings or the flavors that I'm about to add will, you know, adhere or stick to the fries better. So I'm just going in with some regular table salt or pot salt. I don't know what you guys call it. We call it table salt or we call it pot salt. I don't know if there's a difference. I'm using some Charmian seasoning, and guys, let me tell y'all about this. This is actually the bomb. Chief, if you guys ever see this video, you guys need to start making this seasoning in bottles. I don't remember what I just added, but I'm definitely now adding some turmeric because that is what's gonna give my fries the color. You guys will see as the video progresses, or as I plate, or once the fries get done. So I'm prepping now my veggies for my veggie stir fry. You guys would see the struggle that I'm going through to get these uh broccolinis separated. Guys, I was trying so hard not to let my fingernail pierce the broccoli, because that cannot be sanitary in any way. I did end up doing some other vegetables. I don't know if I did get footage of me doing that, but there's cabbage, string beans, onions, and I don't remember everything that I put because this video is like a week. I did this like a week ago, so I do not remember everything, but yeah, it was a struggle, guys, trying to get these broccolis to there y'all have it. Guys, this is actually take 5 minutes of trying to record this one small clip because I keep getting interrupted ironically by roosters. But y'all just have to take what y'all get. I am just trying to create a sear on my chicken. Literally, that's all I've been trying to say, and I just couldn't get it out. So I figured you guys have seen me, blend coconut before, so I didn't think there was a need for me to show you that process. But right now I'm just extracting my coconut milk from my coconut meat, and I'm going to be using this coconut milk in both my chicken, and I'm also gonna be making coconut rice. I will definitely leave the recipe down in the description for you guys, because I don't think I got a clip of me doing it. I did not get a clip of me doing the coconut rice, so I will definitely have to list everything that I put into the coconut rice down in the description. At this point, I think I added 2.5 cups, about 2 cups, I think, or 2.5 cups of coconut milk. You guys will definitely see. However, in the second cup, I did use all the bits of seasonings that was left back from my chicken. So I used that, and that's what you guys saw in the coconut milk. The lumps and chunks that you guys saw in the coconut milk was actually, the extra seasonings that was left back from the chicken. So this is about 2 or so minutes into cooking the chicken. Guys, I don't remember, this was still like a week ago, so my time might be off. So because we're not using any extra liquid to cook our chicken, guys, you want to make sure that every now and then you go and you flip your chicken to facilitate even cooking, because we're not adding any extra water, we're just depending on our coconut milk. These guys I call my tangy cucumbers. It's just basically cucumbers, a little bit of salt, some oil, and some lemon juice. Now you're gonna go back and add everything everything except the oil, little by little, until you feel like, yeah, this is delicious, this is good, this is perfect. Everything except the oil, so a little bit of salt and a little bit of lemon juice. You go back and add, you know, little by little, pinch by pinch. Because like I said, guys, I do not use measurements, so I just like do a little dip, dab, and yeah, that's all I do. I'm not even gonna lie, guys, these pumpkins, they did come on as an afterthought because my sister absolutely loves when I do these. So I was like, you know what, let me just do them. So these are my sweet ginger pumpkins. I had a clip of me grating ginger. Don't know where that disappeared to. Yeah. So these are my sweet ginger pumpkins. Basically, as the name suggests, you will be adding ginger and lots of it, and sugar. So sweet ginger pumpkin, and as well as your other spices and aromatics. So here. Here. This is our veggie stir fry that we have here. This. So you guys remember that clip of the me grating ginger I told you guys I had? Well, I guess, well, this is it. I don't know why it's here. I thought it was somewhere else in the video, but I guess I was wrong. Well, I am wrong. Now guys, it is imperative that you start cooking your pumpkin while it is still frozen. If you allow your pumpkin to thaw, it will get soggy and it will taste nasty. So I will advise that you start cooking your pumpkin while it is still frozen. I actually didn't add any water, any liquid to my pot. This is all you know, the liquid that's thawing out from my pumpkin. So that's actually one of the pluses. So guys, this is the home stretch. We are about to plate. I'm just placing my coconut rice down, guys. You know, I'm trying to be a little fancy. Oh my gosh, yeah. Y'all should definitely come to my restaurant. But yeah, I'm just plating my stuff, you know, trying to make my plate look presentable. Yeah, these are my very beautiful looking turmeric fries, guys. They are absolutely perfect. And my veggie stir fry. Look, this veggie stir fry was very annoying to make because of this cabbage. And the sweet ginger pumpkin has made it to the plate. It is still piping hot. It literally just came off, but you know, it belongs where it belongs, so we just don't do that. Now we're introducing this very lovely succulent looking chicken, and I'm gonna just let y'all enjoy me plating this thing and just, you know, hush my mouth. So guys, this is the finished product. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys decide to try anything off of my plate. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching, and I do hope you enjoyed. Bon appetit.